My pleasure having you in my home.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I called you all here to officially introduce Lady Bianca. She is the head of domestic staff in this house. So, you guys are going to be answerable to her, and I urge you to follow her command as she leads. Any form of rebellion against her actions in this house, the person will be squarely dealt with. Have I made myself clear? Any questions?
I am sure you will be gladdened by the graciousness of my humble service, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
First line of action will be orderliness and seriousness to work. Henceforth, all domestic staff will be on proper work uniform.
Thank you. Perfect. 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 You see, I don't even know why these low lives wouldn't wear the clothes my husband buys for them. Look at them. They all look like trash. That's a nice one, darling.
Also, no more pidgin English.
Oh
in
my
this
god.
house.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You see?
Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
I am happy. Very happy. And Silas, take her to her room. You will freshen up and take it up from there. Thank you very much, darling.
You're welcome.
You're doing well. Yes.
Babes, how far? How you did now, huh? Oh, this place ain't that. You find that. Hey now, you fine. You know, see that this kind of opportunity I don't define. I want to pray to God. God, give me this kind of life. But God don't finally answer my prayer. He don't decide to butter my bread. See, as you see me so, I no go try those cards. Haba, this opportunity comes but once. I no go misuse this opportunity. Trust your babes. Trust me, Haba. Trust me. See, the next time you go see me like this, you no go recognize me. You go see, say, levels don't change. Your girl don't upgrade. I will give you this. Calm down. I go call you for night. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Wait. I'm going like this.
What the hell? Man, who cooked this meal?
Me. Yeah.
We?
Yes, ma'am.
So you both teamed up to prepare this terrible meal for me. What the heck is wrong with you? Dumbasses? Huh? Take a look at this. It is so salty. How do you expect me to eat this trash?
I talk am.
Ooh.
I talk am, madam, na this one. I talk am. When we dey cook this food, I tell am say this. You no sabi anything for this house. You no sabi anything for this life where you come. No only to the top, to the gossip. Na only thing where you sabi for this life. I don't think you said this thing there to Magri when you cook am.
Oh, Mag, what?
What did she salt now, Magri?
Oh my goodness.
She put plenty.
Shut
Maggi.
up! Oh. No, they talk what you no. Oh, wow. The food where we the cook. I test him. He didn't normal. He did okay. No, they talk say na me put where. No, first. Make I see what you did talk.
All right. Look at it.
This food just salty.
Oh my goodness.
Madam,
It's salty.
true.
And now this coconut head. Now put this salt for this food.
I know say I put salt for food, but I chicken salt I put. Now you put Maggi for food and you put plenty Maggi. Madam, make a check am.
Oh, I check out. No, be salt.
Okay.
Stay inside. No, be salt. Madam, they talk.
Oh.
What happened? Why they scream like that?
Maggi.
No, your head. No, Colette. No, make me make I no slap you. You know, if he's there for my face, they lie on top of my head. He
Maggi.
Oh, you just shut the fuck up! Can you close your mouth? I can see you both are so useless. I just wonder why my husband has kept you this long in this house. What the heck is wrong with you? I told you both to prepare me ordinary jollof rice, and you had to pack a whole lot of salt in this freaking food.
Madam, sorry, no vex. No.
Look, let me tell you something. The only thing you know how to do in this house is to gossip, to loiter around, to constitute nuisance in this house. Look, I will not tolerate this shit from you both. Look at you.
No,
I will you shut up your mouth. Ah, rubbish.
Wait, what do you want to now? You say that you didn't look for my trouble. Now what do you want to now?
No, continue. Yeah. Hey, no, the meat where there, no, Colette. Yo, no, nonsense, not too much for yeah. Now you serve this food.
Now you serve them.
No, me serve am.
No, be serve them.
No, what you chop? Now make you go chop the meat. Chop, yeah.
Jealousy.
Jealousy.
You're jealous.
I
You
go
go trouble to you.
What is going on there?
You're jealous. You know where? I thought I'm saying to enter this house. Unfortunately, come up for this house from me. I go tell you say, now you be small witch, and I go deal with you. You don't fit do anything to me.
No, they call small witch.
Yes.
Your head, no, your head. Your head, no, your head. I go tell you say, no, small witch. Nine give trouble pass.
See.
Oh, wow. I go suck you. I go suck your blood dry. You.
Make I tell you, my blood na acid. Anything where you go think say you go suck my blood, that day you go die. You go bend me.
Oh, see this one, we don't die. See this,
Me
the
don't die.
body where does the walker. I beg, go.
Me don't
to my
die.
side.
You don't know what you talk. Now you and your family don't die. All of una don't die.
Oh, wow.
Una don't die. Una see the look for where they go.
You call my family.
What you go do? What you do?
You call my
What you go do?
family.
What you go do?
You call my family.
What you want to?
Me not use my family.
What did they happen for you now? Come here. Leave her move. Leave her now. Jesus. Leave her.
Me not use my family.
Leave her first now. Now what are they? What?
Make I get down.
Don't do. Leave her.
Leave
Sorry. You calm down first. Calm down first. I don't want you. Go to You don't do.
Scatter your mouth. for you. The crazy.
Oh, now know why you can't this person come here for kill you here.
Crazy.
What did that happen? Why would they fight like this now? What did that happen?
And
Calm down now.
they talking, they carry my I go
Wait, no, don't do. What's the word on yourself? Una too like fight. What's the word on? Eh?
He concern you.
He consign me. Me amebo. No wahala now. Next time if I see una the fight, I no go even separate una at all. Anyway, but you carry me come here now because say this rice wanna give me sweet. That's all. I come make I tell you thank you. Say the rice is too sweet.
You mean it's sweet. This rice is sweet.
It's sweet now. I don't even remember the last time when I chopped this kind of sweet like this. I better go carry and go give me another rice.
No. This rice where madam they talk say
you know sweet.
You know sweet.
How?
Say who knows sabi.
You know say me I know the hard mouth now. I didn't mean it's on. If you know sweet, I will tell you say you know sweet. But this one's sweet. I go give me another one.
Wow. Say don't hear am. Say don't hear am. No. This say coconut head. Come join madam say me I know sabi cook. Say na me come pour maggi. Food. My friend shut up make I
No start am again. No start am again.
Wait now. You go wound them now. You don't do now. You don't do now. You don't do.
Go do am ta start. He crazy.
Now because of what madam talk now, I'm go to the fight.
Yes now.
Why? You know say since we oga marry this woman, you no get anything we don't do or anything we I don't do or we una two do when she go talk say it all right. I don't know whether because say she go school for America, it enter her head. Gonna say we no get sense. What can they fight?
True.
No.
True you talk. No. Nothing we will do for that woman. What she they like her. No. True you talk.
Wow. Okay. I beg, Jumbo, go give me another rice. I beg, make I show. Put on better meat. Put on like 2 or 3 meat.
You don't say.
Sweet. I beg, I want.
No. Who say who? No, talk rubbish
Look,
for
I
you.
don't start fight. I want another rice. I beg, Jumbo, go give me rice. Tell me, go give me rice. Now my plate be this. Carry rice.
You say 2 minutes. I don't know, Silas. If I talk say you no get sense, you go look say people gonna think say me I get bad mouth. But they no go say now you way foolish.
Which come bring that one come now? Go give me rice. Go.
I never agree say I go put rice for you. You can't request for meat.
What you put? Wait, let's say Oga dey get put meat for me.
Common sense.
Put meat oh.
No get money, no get sense. All of them you join them together for one person, one body.
No. For your money, he no get bad mouth.
See person where they talk. I get bad mouth pass you. Now you, your own bad mouth na 100%.
See, that's million thousand. Where your mouth they long. Talk the one where you supposed to talk and the one where you not supposed to talk.
I'm supposed to talk everything while they talk. See, if you talk anyhow, I will change that for you.
Yeah. No. Come here. No. Be the swear for.
I will swear for you again. I will swear for you. No.
Hey, welcome, sir. Come down, sir.
Silence.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I can see.
Okay, there. Hey.
All right. This is for you, Jumbo and Bimbo.
Eh? Hey!
Take yours and give theirs to them.
Thank you. Hey! Thank you. Okay, wait now. Wait, I'm going to check it out. Hey! I'm not looking.
I'm home. Like she knows I was starving.
Wow! This man is a better person. Eh? Just come. Buy it for me. Tell me say make I give this one to Jumbo and Bimbo. Eh? Hi! Okay, God go bless you. God go bless you. Imagine. Try see shirt now. See better shirt now. I wear this one now. I start center the street. All these girls will be shakara for me. No, I am Paul. Yes, no, come on, see there. You look my shirt. Don't say yes. Say Silas on the wear shirt. See shirt now. Chai. This shirt now, if I go up main market or no matter if I go Lagos market, this shirt now, about 20 baht. Yes, this shirt now. This shirt now 20 baht. But normally me I don't buy shirt for Lagos line though. By Main Road by Main Road now. I see this shirt like highest 7.5 or 8.5. But anyhow, I don't say this shirt reach 10,000. Say, and I don't blow, go. I go wear shirt will be 10,000 though. Who be that girl where I go talk to? When I go respond? I don't develop for what? T-shirt now. Wow. But thank you, God will bless you. Thank you. Hey, wow. Thank you. Now I give my own first back at this one. Go find this girl. Thank you so much.
Did you just eat it? This irritating food. Oh my goodness.
Babe, this is not poison. This is actually nice.
Oh really? No wonder those little things don't see anything wrong in their mistakes. Because you were not even complaining.
Babe, there is nothing wrong with this food though. It's nice.
This is very, very spicy and could be cancerous to your health. You know, right?
Babe, forget all those grammar, forget them. You see this food there, this is now better, correct Nigerian jollof rice. Like, I love the aroma of better party jollof rice. And I like the way they fry the little meat where they put on top.
Oh, why wouldn't you like it? I mean, all of you are the same.
Babe. Where are you going?
I am going to get myself something to eat.
Babe, I just came back and I need to stay with you now. What's up now? You can order the whatever you want to eat, order it. I need to stay with you.
Of course I can do that, but I cannot withstand the smell of this irritating food. So I have to get something to eat right now, please. Oh! What is it?
Babe, stop now. Stop. Order.
What is it?
I have to order.
Order what?
Order. I want to stay with my wife. Order.
You want? Oh my God! What the
Order.
heck are you doing?
Order it.
Are you okay?
Order it.
Oh, hey babes.
Okay.
Here. This is the bill. 187,000 naira.
Babe. 187,000 naira for your feeding just a week.
Yes?
Baby, is this not too much?
Oh, please. If it is too much, then do what I told you to do. Get me a professional maid. Someone that would, cook what a normal human can eat.
Wait. Are you saying I am not a normal human?
That is not what I said. And, I can't eat what you are actually going to eat. It's definitely not going to be me.
Wait. You are no longer overseas. This is Nigeria. And you really need to adapt. You just have to adjust. See, those girls are really good girls, so I don't know why you want me to send them packing and get you a professional maid. Please, try and adjust, please.
Oh, really? So you actually want something to happen to my system? Look, I don't know why you don't want to send those girls packing. Can you tell me the relationship you have between both of them? No, tell me, because you don't want to do the needful. And I'm getting sick and tired of all of this.
See, babe, those girls are from poor background and I picked them from their parents to train them in school to give them a better future. Them assisting us with domestic chores is out of their personal willingness and love to reciprocate the help I am giving to them. Those girls can cook, they can wash, they can do virtually anything that has to do with domestic chores. I just don't know why you don't see anything good in them. I don't know.
Because everything about them disgusts me.
Jesus.
Yes. They don't do anything right. They don't speak right. They don't behave right. They don't dress right. It's so oh my God. I don't want to get upset.
Babe, if you can calm down, if you can give them a chance, you will actually realize that those girls are beautiful souls. You will love them.
Look, I don't want to talk about this anymore. This is a bill. Do the needful. Excuse me.
Hey. If they are not as good as you want, why not tutor them, teach them? Then you can teach them. If you feel they don't do things the way you want, you can teach them. I'm sure they'll be glad to learn.
Please. I said I don't want to talk about this anymore.
Are you serious?
Yes, of course I am.
Fine.
Jumbo. Waiting now, waiting to worry you.
No. Yeah, don't gas so for our head. You there they do TikTok.
Which yawa gas?
No. As I carry this cloth, I want go keeper. Now come pass or gather room. I go here when Oga wife they tell Oga say make it circus.
Circus say wetin happen? Wetin we do am?
No. not be the thing now. You ask me, make I ask you. I hear when Madame they tell Oga, make Oga fire all of us. Make it fire all of us. Say she want employ no new chef. Where go they cook? Where till she want eat?
I don't know why this woman wicked like this. She's too wicked. I don't know why she wicked like this.
No. Wickedness, na small one. Na bad belle they do. But me, I trust Oga. Me, I know what Oga fit do. Oga no go gree circus because Oga na good man.
So all these good things what we don't they do for this now, all these things what we don't they do for him. Now to sack us, we want use pay us back.
No minor. She don't get anything to think. Now we be her matana.
Be good like that. No wahala, make the sack us.
No, who should want be no wahala. The one sack us. He said no wahala. Na compliment. I be na waiting. My friend, make we use our head now. Make we use our head. Think out. What na plan B or make we go beg Oga.
Just the talk plan. Wetin you want plan? We go plan am.
No. Both of us go plan am. After all, they say two heads are better than one. We put them together. He go produce something.
Yeah, put your own head.
Waiting.
Then we'll produce something.
He no get sense. Oga, size talk say you dey call us.
Yes. I called both of you because it occurred to me that you've not seen your parents for a while now. And you may be missing them or probably homesick.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want both of you to go home this weekend and spend time with your parents.
Okay.
Then you can come back on Monday and resume.
Oga, beg. She like this now. You just want sack us like that for no reason.
Sack? I am not sacking you guys. I said you should go home, spend the weekend with your parents, then come back on Monday and resume your jobs. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Babes, what are you talking about? Why would you allow these poor little things go see their parents when they are obviously used to them? If they leave, what will happen to the house? Like, who's gonna do the house chores? Do you think me? Oh, no.
They have not seen their parents for a while, and it's important they go and see them. Moreover, you are my wife, and the domestic chores of this house is your sole responsibility.
What? Domestic chores?
Babe,
How do you mean?
babe, come off it. Stop acting as if this is supposed to be a serious matter. It is your responsibility.
What the hell are you talking about? Look, if you allow these two little poor things go back to their folks, get ready to do the house chores. I mean it. Get ready.
Are you serious right now?
I am dead serious.
Both of you can go. But before you leave tomorrow, come and meet me so that I can give you something you will give to your parents.
Okay, this one way they talk say you want to give our parents something. Just say no one you stay chase us coming for this house.
Chase you out of this house? I don't understand. Haven't I been giving to your parents?
They give them.
Oh, please, would you get out from this place right now before I descend on you two? My friend, move immediately. What? Did you see that, honey? Did you see that?
down and stop overreacting?
I can stop overreacting because you are obviously getting attached to this maid. You are so generous and I'm not comfortable with this. Really. Don't tell me I did not warn you because it's not going to end well.
Fine. Can you relax? My beautiful wife.
Oh, please!
Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mama. How are you doing?
I dey call to thank you. I see all the good things where you dey give my pikin. Even the money where you give am. I never see that kind of money before. Hi, thank you.
It's nothing, Mama. It's nothing. Jumbo is a good girl and she deserves anything I give to her.
God go dey bless you every day, every day.
Amen.
You no go ever know that for this life. No evil eye go ever see you.
Amen. Amen.
My God go dey bless you. You go dey bless you.
Mama, I say amen to all your beautiful prayers. And God bless you too. Hope you're fine.
I dey fine, no. I dey fine. Na dance I dey dance since, so. Na dance I dey since, so. God bless you.
Amen. Please take care of yourself and I have not come and see you because I've been busy with one or two things, but trust me, once I'm less busy, I'll just hop in one day and say hi to you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Bye, Mama.
What are the available condiments for sauce do you have?
Auntie Madam, you know say they get 9 planets and 7 continents. So inside that planet, we get one word they call world. Inside that world, they get Nigeria. So inside that Nigeria, they can't get Africa. Now Africa we dey so.
Will you shut up your mouth, you this moron? I meant condiments, ingredients for sauce.
Oh, wow. Hey, Mama, my ingredients they talk about, oh, Madam. We get ingredients for house.
We get ingredients, but we no stars no go come here now. Why stars if we go come here? We be Yahoo boys.
No.
Nobody be Yahoo boys here. We no dey. Okay, they press laptop. Well, I sure say you no be Yahoo boy.
No.
Oh my goodness, please. I never talked about sass. I mean sauce.
How for you? Go bring down your long sauce now. Maybe each they catch cold or mosquito they bite am for leg.
He don't finish wetin dey talk. Mama, friend, shut up. No be everything when they ask now you go put mouth for inside. Oh wow. Mosquito they bite am for inside house. Madam, I beg make you no vex for us. Now how we know wetin they talk about. We get carrot and the cucumber remain.
Okay, now that one. We get watermelon and banana still there for fridge. I think that one still remain.
Olodo. He what he come bring a banana and the watermelon for this
No
banana?
dey shout for me. No dey shout for me. Madam dey. No dey shout for me.
Which one be not the shout for you? Then they ask me something. You
No need to dey ask. No need to dey ask. No dey ask.
Oh, please. It's okay. I can see you girls a handful. So what contingency plan is available?
Madam, that contingency time we get am before. But now this one can't finish am. You don't finish. You no get them again.
Yes, madam. No, that time what happened, they use them. You don't
That's
finish.
yam. That's yam.
How am I stuck with this dumb asses? Oh my goodness, how am I stuck with this girls? How am I going to drown your ambience out of my head?
Hey, wow. Madam, ambulance. Hey.
Sorry, you. Don't vex.
Hey.
You know good. I beg, who die?
What?
Me will know how we go take all the ambulance.
How many?
How many? Yes.
Look, I want you girls to get out of my sight right now. I said leave! Get the hell out of my sight!
Sight. Get project.
Hey, maybe get building project.
Congratulations.
You must be very stupid. I said get the hell out of my sight! Before I lose my temper on you.
No, lose them. No, lose them. They go now.
Oh, you go push me every time you go push person.
Go.
Leave me there. Push me down, you don't see am.
Oh my goodness.
No.
How am I going to deal with this shit? I think I am going to run mad in this house because this is the highest concentration of darkness I have ever seen in my entire life. What the heck? Gosh.
Wetin be that one which you talk that time? That thing which you talk. Wetin sef?
Olodo. He don't know anything. You see this your head. No, nothing there inside. Which one is kokon? No, be kokon. Contijuru.
Abeg, come on here. Close that mouth. Every time they make mouth say you know everything. You too, you know get said like your brain too block. Wetin you talk no be contingency. Wetin you talk na contingency plan.
Make I find out.
Mugu CCO. Siam na CO.
No, be C. No, be there.
Siam.
No, be D with this. CCO.
Oh,
yeah.
you know
Okay.
it's
Go. I don't see. Oh. So that means alternative plan. No. Oh, wow.
okay. What was that one which talks in ambience? Ambience.
Why your head block like this?
I don't understand.
Why your brain block like? Which one beans? You when they chop beans? Come they mention beans for
Make I
you.
tell you. You say that time as she pronounce them, we can't say an ambulance she talk. If they call or if they pronounce them as person we go school, if they pronounce that, it go sound like ambulance, but ambulance.
Shut up, bro. Make a find now. I'm pure over Sabi. You don't call plenty things for here now. Ho. See for here. Na ambiance oh. Na ambiance. See, na noise maker. No, miss no noise maker. That woman call us. She know well oh.
I know everything which they talk, all those things which you talk for that place. I know all of them. You say I just keep quiet because I know say you don't stop anything. I just keep quiet, make I show myself small.
Shut up, oh. Show what? They show you. See line loose.
So
See line loose. Like.
what did they try talk? So for your mind now you don't believe me, say I know.
What do you know? You too lie. No. If you know I'm, we'll carry the channel.
Okay.
If you know I'm.
Okay, fine.
Lie like.
You don't know. If I don't know him, why I can't teach you for dictionary?
What did they teach me? No. If they talk up, me me
Hey,
the final.
no be me they show you. You don't they like to
Close your mouth, fish head.
see.
See this fish head though. No, my head it won't on wine.
Look at you, I know all those kind of and me just the hide and sing. Because if I can't show myself too much, my dad will say this girl is too intelligent.
So, why you too lie?
Okay, if you too say I dey lie, me will look for another one what you dey talk. What did you call him that time? What is that one? SOAS.
Which one be so SOAS?
SOAS. You don't know that time what you call SOAS? I can't tell you, me you go bring down your long sauce.
No, you be mumu. What is it? No, sauce. When in the wear, Nana she dey call. Now sauce.
I call later find out say no be that sauce, say na SOAS. You know say as she call am, he can't start like say na SAS people. Later he can't find out say na all this sauce. SOAS, she call am SOAS.
Mama, my friend, shut up. Cow head. You don't sabi anything.
Fine now.
Sauce when they chop. Olodo.
Fine now, me will
Fine now. Waiting down. No, I won't go fine.
Teach you something, they behave like say you know everything.
What is these people do? Always do for this way. And then they scatter around. And I said them small picking. Every time the bed they scatter. What is it? But no be firewood though. Person gonna walk like this for house. No wonder. These people will just like that for here and then scatter it. Wait. I don't forget myself for small forget. This thing this surprised me. This surprised me. How? Papa mad at me. Mama mad at me. This scatter red like this. Wow. No, waiting be this one. No. I don't understand this thing. Who can keep this thing for here? Be. Look, makes sense. Wow. Jumbo. Wow. Don't cousin. I don't know what this one again. I say I'm for madam. I don't even know what this one be. But now catapult. I don't know. I never seen this kind of thing before. Wow.
No, this is not Phoebe catapult. Let's say don't get it. This is not Phoebe just rope. All this rope where they use the tie things now. No Phoebe catapult. See, no strong.
No, do you when me at look this thing? You just say no be madam. Wait for me, but we buy am for Oga. Oga they use and they kill bird. And double stone. You sure?
I'm sure. You say don't get it now. See, catapult is strong. Where it is strong, so that if you drag, I will not go tell. But this one you say
not to no stone.
You don't know. See, don't know. So we don't just pack them for that place. So go burn things. Go put them for that place.
Put them for there,
Go put them in that place. Hey, come too. This one don't take it. I better come carry this one too. Come carry this one too. This one too don't spoil. Don't take it. Is it okay I do it? This one too don't take it. Maybe go try it.
So you mean say this thing don't tell now?
You don't say now. You didn't prolong something. See.
But wait. Why you call me back now?
No, they throw yourself too much. No, they too show yourself. I said make you throw this thing. You get anything where they for
my friend, shut up. Because of this way you won't make her throw now. I make you call me back. Wait do your hand. You don't feel go through am. I be me where carry this one come meet you. I call you say me come upstairs come see am.
I don't understand what they tell you.
What you don't understand?
You know they like to show yourself every time.
Man, don't show myself. You make I show myself for here. No.
I don't understand. What no, me I not saying that for you now.
Oh yeah, change them now. Change them. Make I see.
If you talk, no, come close. No, they try eye from you. No, they try am.
This
you talk every time.
No go talk. Me we don't work on my own. Go finish. Now you call me back.
Oh yeah, go back. Make I carry waka come meet you now. Now into the waka you.
Oh yeah, carry
this thing where you carry come here.
You throw am for me. Oh yeah, carry this one. Go keep am back.
Carry this thing. Go throw.
Look, where is my red cotton G-string pants?
Oh, wow. No. Madam, no, Sam.
Oh, really? I am sure you cleaned up my room earlier today. And I can find my G-string pants. Where did you keep it?
No. I no see your pants. What's in me?
Otherwise, Moran, my red G-string panties. Where did you keep them?
Madam, no. see anything, any pant. No, not to talk of even touch them. The only thing when I see for that room, now, one red rope like this. Now I see for inside. We don't carry them. Go outside. Go burn them.
What? You bought what? Oh my goodness! You bought my red G-string panties? What the hell is wrong with you? I have had it up to here! Look. Listen to me very well. I think you girls are gonna leave this house right now! Yes! But do you know how much you got those panties? $500! And you have to choose if you are gonna give me the $500 or you get the hell out of this house! I can't tolerate that! What the hell is wrong with you? Huh?
No. Only red rope now will burn. No, not be panto. No, see this. See wahala.
Why madam dey para for you?
Hey. Wahala ta igele this time around. No. Madam talk say we burn in pants.
Eh? Why not go burn madam pants now? Una dey craze?
Who burn madam pants? We no bother any madam pants. No, one red rope. No, we burn. Now she dey talk say that na G strike.
Una go burn madam G-string? Hey! No, say na pants be that. Why not go burn them now?
I take me pants. Rope where they like a catapult. No, it talk say na pants.
That thing wey you talk say we dey like catapult. That thing wey halot them dey wear. They come wear, they come enter inside nyash like this. Come dey for waist, come hang for waist like this. Yes,
Hey, you mean say that catapult, that thing when madam they talk, now waiting ash then they hear. Ashawo. Oh, wow.
Yes.
Where then go where? Did go enter the nut. Go on the outside.
You come hang for waist.
Oh, wow.
Yes, no.
No. Now what if madam they talk with that? How come? That means say madam don't do ashi before.
What do you mean? I not talk more.
No, be you talk say na what they wear am. No, so that means say madam don't do am before you come marry.
I no be waiting I talk. That no be anybody go fit go market go buy that kind pants. They wear now. Eh? Where Jumbo dey?
She go market though. Hey. Even Jumbo confirm am say that no be pants. Oh wow.
Na wahala both of una don enter so well wetin be say e don happen now, una don born am now. Na madam go fit say make una pack comot for here. Yes now.
No, that one no dey possible.
You know say madam dey sometimes dey do like dey shout. You know where I dey hear her voice? I run.
Hey, they talk like say you know before. Say madam they shout like bed where they want keep.
When I go beg am because you go shoot come up for here. Me, you not concern me. Na my department I dey. When I go beg am
Beg who invite you for here? Now make we go beg madam. You don't leave your position now. Call they do army for here. They send you. We not burn any pants. She say na G strike. No, we burn them. Wow. Oh, this matter don't they pass joke. Oh, wow. But why madam go come dey wear hachi pants?
Oh my God! What the hell? Oh God! These girls are so useless, hopeless. All they do is just to do useless things. Huh? Just imagine burning my designer's panties. I mean, who does that? Oh God, what do I do now? Think.
What do you need to do? I think they have to leave this house. Yeah. Hello?
Hello. This is Laura's Corporate Maid Services. How may we help you?
My name is Cherry. I got your number from your website. I need a maid urgently.
Alright. Now that is our specialty. I believe you've seen everything on our website. What is your preference?
I need the best of the best. A high-class quality maid. Someone who can take good care of my needs right now. Please. Remember, money's not a problem, like what I said.
Alright, ma'am. Please do fill out the forms on our website. I'll be sending you our very best.
Alright. Get that. Please. It is very urgent right now. Please.
Don't worry, we deliver the best. Thank you for choosing us. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you too. Oh God. This girl is something else. Always putting me in a wrong mood in this house. I have told my husband severally to kick their ass out of this house. Oh my God, I am sick and tired. Well again. I think I need some rest right now.
When I'm doing that thing, show you. If you got then say, apart.
Why you can't they blame me now? No sin apart. That's in the pants. How that's in the pants?
He just where he land us. After you go do like say you get sense.
What you the try to run and miss that and I don't get sense.
What is going on here? What is happening? What are you doing with your bags?
Oga na madam for chores. He said we burn in pant.
She told me that over the phone. So can you tell me why you burnt her panties? Why?
Okay, we no burn her pants. That thing no be pants. She just talk that to make it be say we be bad people. That thing na just rope where they use tight something. If you say that in her pants, okay, if she wear them, this thing is supposed to open up her bum to show everything. But that thing not be pants now. How that thing go fit cover person bum?
Can you shut up your mouth? Is that your business? See, both of you, let today be the first and last day you ever see anything in my room and get it burnt without asking questions. Am I understood?
Yes, sir.
Let me go talk to her. Get out of my way.
So,
Will you just keep quiet?
You don't see her now. Your mind don't calm down.
Which man don't come down? Maybe as see me like this. Mama, no they yell. This is job what they call it for me now. They best me. No even talk. Put inside.
Put wait inside. No be you cause am. Suppose they cry, save. They say they pity me. Say they come out this job from my hand because of you.
Now that says where you no get it. Now put me for this
Which
thing.
kind sense I no get?
Hold up. Now everything you see is a boss.
If you say you no say na pants be that, if you carry and come meet me.
You know say na pants. You know.
You too, you don't know now.
You even carry something for here. Join for here. Say it here. Make we burn am. Thank God say we never burn that gold.
I beg, no talk to me again because you don't this is the way you talk now. You don't vex me. You don't vex. No call me Olodo again.
No. Na it be. What he go
No
do?
call me Olodo again.
What he
No
go
call
do?
me Olodo again.
Mama, carry this hand down.
No call me Olodo again.
Carry this
I no
hand.
go carry am down.
Mama no good oh.
You too carry your own
Mama,
down. You too carry your own down.
Mama no good
My
oh.
own man no good too.
Babe. Okay. I just saw Jumbo and Bimbo downstairs with their bags about leaving the house. They told me their own side of the story. And from all indications, it was a mistake. Please.
I don't care. Look, since they are so dumb, they should have asked questions before trashing out things from my room. I mean, who does that?
You're right, babe. You're right. But like I said before, it was an honest mistake. And I don't think we should throw them out because of that.
Those girls are so useless. But if you insist on helping them, that's fine, but it should be from their parents' house, not here.
Babe, those girls are not useless. Nobody is useless. What we need to do is to patiently tutor them. Blend them into what you want them to be. And I am sure they are ready to learn.
Oh, you think so? You think those girls are really ready to learn? I don't think so. They are so blockheaded. I don't think they're ready to learn anything, please. Oh.
Babe, that's not fair.
But that's the truth. I am that serious.
Please.
Mwah. Who you be and who they find for here?
Sorry? What are you saying?
Yeah, they pay you. Ntana, I forgot for. I say who you be and who they find for you and ask him sorry. Sorry for what?
You mean who I am?
No! Now who I am.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, my name is Lady Bianca. I am a corporate maid and I'm here to see Mrs. Cherry. This is her residence, right?
I but talk say they find my madam now, no con they stress me. As you find like witch like this now, cause still con they stress people on top. Now for you. You go there here, make I go tell and say you the find out, eh?
Sure.
What you talk say your name be again?
Lady Bianca.
Bianca. No move, oh, no enter my house, no go and just stand as you stand. Make I tell and say you come.
What is it?
Sorry.
Do you want to put your mouth in my food?
No, ma. Sorry. Oga, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What is it?
You get one lady who they forget. She talks saying her name now, Lady Bianca. Say she be corporate maid. Say she dey find.
Oh my goodness! I was actually expecting her. Man, where the hell is she?
She take it.
Alright, tell her to come in.
May she come in?
Yes. Okay. What are you doing here?
Okay, may she...
What the heck is wrong with you, nigga? Are you stupid or something? Huh? Oh, darling. Oh my goodness, I am so welcome.
Babe. What is it about this corporate meeting I'm just hearing?
Well, I have been telling you I needed someone who's very classy and elegant. But you were so adamant about what I've been talking about. So I had to hire someone who can take good care of me and give me a proper taste of life.
Are you serious right now? Like you went and hired a corporate maid without telling me we have 2 maids already in the house.
Oh, please! You call those maids? Those house rats? Look, I don't think, what are they? I think they are liabilities in this house. And I don't need any sort of liabilities in this house. Do you get that? You can as well deal with that, please. Okay, excuse me.
Good afternoon.
She did talk like doll baby.
No, this one when I hear, no be baby, cartoon. Hey, what should she come be now?
You see the way she dey walk, like check. She dey walk like say they dey push am.
This say kreke, like this, check kreke
As soon as they push am, all of them are the same.
No. She dey walk like this, She dey.
No be like that. See, she don't dey jump am. She dey talk. She dey walk small like.
Hey, you walk am now.
I know say I no sabi walk am, but at least I fit talk how she dey do am. She dey walk small.
Me she put on, you know, sabi am say.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Lady Bianca. Well tutored on house management and food nutrition. A corporate maid.
Indeed you are.
Thank you.
I like what I see. Well, here is my husband, Raymond.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Raymond.
You're welcome. Alpha, what's that girl? She fine, madam, come. You see that she fine.
She really fine.
Yes.
You no get sense. So now the step he dey look.
I dey see fine girls every day. This she dey walk. She dey walk calm, just carry shoulder up. They like this.
Bianca.
Lady Bianca.
You're right. Lady Bianca. You are welcome once again.
Thank you.
Well, I want you to feel free to unleash your culinary skills and mesmerize me. I want to wake up to a sweet aroma of exquisite dishes. And also, I want to fall asleep to a taste of intercontinental dishes on my taste board. I definitely know you are gonna give me a good service.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you're welcome.
Well, I must commend you. You've made the right choice. So, when do I resume?
Immediately, if possible. Your room is set. When you're ready, I will take you to the kitchen.
Alright then. I'll have to go get my things. I only came to report.
Oh my goodness. I will be waiting for you.
Thank you once again.
You are welcome.
It's nice to meet you, Mr. Raymond.
Alright. Do have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye for now. Bye for now.
Which is okay? I want to see a man. Hey, if she catch you, don't go. If she catch you, she don't catch you, finish.
What was that?
That was class and elegance. You are about to enjoy professionalism at its peak. Baby! Oh my God! What is it?
So, how much?
Just 200,000 naira.
$200,000 for a year?
Come on, babe. This is class and elegance. It is quite expensive for a month.
Now what that new maid now?
Madam new maid.
Yes.
Ow.
Yeah, they pay you. I tell you, say na Madam new maid be that. She talks say her name na Lady Bianca.
Oh, wow. No. I say they don't sack us be that too.
Sack you. Not only you they go sack.
No. Me, no be me and you they work for here. No be me and you they work, they go sack.
Not only you go sack. So that because saying that two of us they work, they go come sack the two of us.
My friend, no, they talk with you, no, be me and you they work for here. No, only me they want come sack.
I don't just understand what you they try to talk. The jealousy wey dey for inside your heart dey too much.
No, my friend, no be jealousy matter for here. No. Now work, man.
I beg you don't do.
Another
Even they talk sack. In fact, no be even Oga go sack on herself. Now that your wife wey dey face like retired British queen. Now she will not worry for no be Oga self.
No, but why madam they won't employ another person? It means say we know they do the work.
Me I don't know.
Me I know they even fear. Even if Oga wan sack me, the kind drama wey I go act, he go choke am. I go just dey roll for ground, they cry, they roll for ground. You no go even know when he go change his mind. So I go inside and no go sack you again.
Drama queen. He just say if you roll from here, really she get it. If he make the wife change his mind.
That one concern you now. Me, na department be that, na there I dey. Make una pray, make them not come and work for na hand though. And me, I don't talk my own. But see, I see she fine normally now.
No. Wait, come be your own for the final.
Aye, she fine me. You see what God create. Yeah, I appreciate that. Nah, she like your father.
Hey. We don't finish with that.
We never finish anything. You know, say this thing now. Somehow we good, somehow we no good. Because how we good, we say, she go to cook for madam, and we go to cook for Oga.
No. You they share duties for Oga and madam. You know they use your head. They say make they play. In fact, make you carry this your phone, go drop and once and focus on your work. Because no only you go make the sack also. I don't talk my own. No. Make I go make my own work. No.
You don't do now. What is you don't do?
You never do. Make it do the right thing.
You don't do. Everything you go just worry everybody. I don't know what to worry this one.
No, you do the right thing. Do the right thing.
You don't do.
No,
too much. No, you too much. That person go dey get pepper body go dey pepper you.
Why are you yelling?
Babe, you went and hired a professional maid that will be paid 200,000 a month and I'm kicking against it and you call it yelling?
Raymond, don't act as if whatever I am doing is above the standard you saw me before you got married to me. Look, I was raised like this, and this is who I am.
Babe, you are now a married woman, and things must not always be the way it was in your father's house. For goodness sake, I do not want a wife that will leave every of her responsibility in the hands of another lady simply because she is a professional maid. We have girls in this house, and if they cannot cook what you eat, then you go to the kitchen and do it yourself, because I'm sure preparing what you alone will eat is not much of a responsibility. Like, it is not a difficult thing to do.
Really? Oh, really? I can see where this is coming from. Look, let me tell you something. I will be paying my maid. I will not let your acts of stinginess get me into discomfort in this house. Are you happy now, Mr. Stingy Man?
And you know I am not stingy.
Stingy!
Babe, this is about being economical and reasonable, not stinginess. You know I am not stingy, like...
Hey,
How do you do? Is Madam in?
She did. Make I help you carry your bag now, come.
Oh yeah, you can, but handle with care. I got it for over $1,000, which is about 700,000 naira. So handle with care.
700,000. 700,000. And they little biko. They chop you. See, normally, hey. Sorry. Woman market for Lagos line. I go buy this bag 25. They feel me? Okay, say hold up there for woman market. I go branch Francis for shop make I buy shop my brother. I go buy this bag for 12.5. Okay, say hold up there getting. I'll call my guy, don't be for phone. You can this guy come to my house. I'll give him 10.5. But I say no 70 700k kiss no again. No, because they chop you. Don't tell me say na 700k.
I get it. You shop from main market. I shop directly from Chanel.
I know this bag now. Nearly come one because how tell me say you buy this bag 700 back for what? Normal day if they pass old road, if you men na pacha, say one them buy your bag 5 by 5. Now this bag now nearly because eji bozo afi na asin no 700 back. I dey come. Nearly again. If you na me push. Give me that money make I go buy am for you. I go buy 3 for you. Come. You go na. No, I will call them people making this. No, yeah. 5 now. I want to now see Baba because. Yeah, Baba because you don't need to. See, no, they well said. Hey, you can read some 700 back.
Well, my pleasure having you in my home.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I called you all here to officially introduce Lady Bianca. She is the head of domestic staff in this house. So, you guys are going to be answerable to her. And I urge you to follow her command as she leads. Any form of rebellion against her actions in this house, the person will be squarely dealt with. Have I made myself clear? Any questions?
I am sure you will be gladdened by the graciousness of my humble service, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
First line of action will be orderliness and seriousness to work. Henceforth, all domestic staff will be on proper work uniform.
Thank you. Perfect. You see, I don't even know why these low lives wouldn't wear the clothes my husband buys for them. Look at them. They all look like trash. That's a nice one, darling.
Also, no more pidgin English.
Oh
in
my
this
god!
house.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You say?
Oh my goodness! That's awesome! Beautiful!
Thank you, ma'am.
I am happy. Very happy. And Silas, take her to her room. You will freshen up and take it off from there. Thank you very much, darling.
You're welcome.
You may excuse me.
You go get up now.
You don't talk to a lady like that.
Sorry. We go past here. And
Excuse me. Correct yourself.
Room.
Don't touch me.
I don't understand anything when she talk. And the one with the pain, she talk say no, they speak pidgin again. Wait to for her mind, if you speak all this super they speak.
My sister, that one no, they even pay me. No, be English. Go speak. No, nothing now.
Is it no be English?
English now. Go now.
Oh yeah, speak English. Speak one English, make I hear.
What do you want me to speak for you?
Yeah, speak all those things which you talking now.
You start.
Okay.
To speak
Speak
to me.
all those things she said here.
What did she say there? Mama, sister, English, no, my problem. Mama, the one where they pay me, the one when he talks, say, we are in for this house.
Make her shock you. See as this girl just come, no, they carry head give her. Me will be pay, I go wicked her. She go hear her.
I hope you all love your uniform.
Wow. We like which kind of the answer come be that one? Which one be you like him? You no go answer for yourself. I no like him. No, they touch me. How person go wear uniform, go school finish, come back house, go wear uniform again? This uniform they do it. And you no go bring me do my work very well. No be only say I wear uniform. I can't carry this monkey jacket put on top.
Good. Well, I'll do well to tell your madam that you said you wouldn't wear the uniform she provided.
No be wetin I talk. I no talk am. I talk am. I don't say I no like am. No be say I no go wear am. Go dey wear am, but I no like am.
Yes, she's wearing it.
Better. Silas? To your duty post now. Come back here this minute. You
don't talk when I talk. Now move! Walk like a god. Now you two to the kitchen. Stop right there! I said kitchen. Stop! Move it! Okay. You have to walk with elegance, poise, sophistication, and class. Now onto the kitchen. Good. Here, this is your breakfast.
I don't understand them. You mean I'm being a one person get all of them?
Excuse me?
No verse. Sorry.
Take this to the God. Eat less, stay fit. Shoulders up. Elegance, poise, sophistication.
Not before. This two slices of bread. No, I do. Like
Me, I never even understand everything. All these things never clear from my eyes.
No, just two slices of bread. No, for all of us.
I don't know whether this thing I see dream I do dream. I don't understand. Like this thing still they pain me.
For on top of this two slices of bread. In they do like a pause. I'm not fit though.
Aba.
Take me.
Your TV this.
No, your food.
My food. Okay, now, mama. Which kind of thing come be this one now? Can person be the one? Which kind of play be this one now?
No, your food now. Oga, collect this thing. Make they go now. Collect them. Now your food.
I don't understand. 2 bread, tea. For what now?
Who did ask that question, I beg?
I don't know.
I don't understand though. Who did ask the question? If you want to ask that question, go ask that your retired Queen Elizabeth. Go ask them. That English woman who thinks that she speak everything waiting for this world. Go ask them. She said me with the chop am. She said she don't want to make anybody fat.
Make anybody fat. I tell her say I fat. I want slim. She can't be this one now. Why she will give me bread and tea for morning food now?
I beg, calm down. No, they ask me that question. No, be only you hunger they catch. You show for your mind that you feel say that hunger will catch you now. Pass the one where they owe me, na. Be coming down, I go change that for you. Me too, hunger dey fire me here.
Say una don dey see am. Una don dey see am. That time I dey talk am. I dey talk am say this wahala don find us come this house. See that woman enter this house. No be so. I dey talk am una say I dey talk like person wey no get sense. No, you don kill her. Abi never kill her.
Nah, I don't understand. Which kind of thing be this one now? You go protest, oh. You go protest. If I want come, I go tell her myself. I go tell Oga.
Hey, if you love yourself, love your job, maybe no even try am. Say you won't tell Oga. He make that means say he won't work na. He actually he leave this house. Now so he don't forget say Madam talk say if anything what she tell us make we dey do. He don't forget. Me I no follow for that protest though. I no follow.
For your mind, I don't know why it be mugu now. Wetin dey worry you? For your mind now, you want go protest. Say you want to tell Oga. Wetin you want tell Oga? I know. See, make I even tell una. Now hunger go kill. You see that woman waiting for inside. I go run on street. She don't know me. I go run on street. I dey tell you.
You say I won't take do am. No, what he won't do? She say see wetin she dey talk now. See, make una no complain. All of us we dey inside am. Wow. Hey, Jumbo! Pause. Remember. Elegant. Oh. Wow.
Come. No go follow.
He concern you? No, your fault. Na your body I dey use for. You no go focus on your office. Make I focus on my office. Oh wow. Don't go. Small. No, go for there. No. Oh wow. I don't nearly forget say na for hand.
Dando. Let me come for me, I beg. Can't be this one. No, go. Just finish now. Just finish. I will come.
I am doing well. Yes. Babes, how far? How you doing now, Oh, this place ain't that. You find that. Hey now. He fine. You know, see that this kind of opportunity I don't find. I want to pray to God. God, give me this kind of life. But God don't finally answer my prayer. He don't decide to butter my bread. See, as you see me so, I no go try those cards. Haba, this opportunity comes but once. I no go misuse this opportunity. Trust your babes. Trust me, Haba. Trust me. See, the next time you go see me like this, you no go recognize me. You go see, say, levels don't change. Your girl don't upgrade. I will give you this. Calm down. I will call you for that. Yeah. Bye.
Wait. Go like this.
Why are you still knowing me here all this night? This girl na better red Paco girl, Aje Paco. She dey speak strong pidgin wey even pass my own, wey strong pass everybody own. Aje only pidgin. Hey! How did you get plans for this house? Let me say the time when you have gas don't come.
Which yawa go gas? I beg, bring that thing where you steal from kitchen, come here with me, we share.
I dey tell you something, I tell you say this girl na better Paco girl. And she talk say he get reason wey carry am come here.
No say you two dey talk anyhow. You two dey open mouth dey talk rubbish. No go put yourself for trouble because of all this way you dey talk. Eh?
I no understand.
Jumbo. How you want make I believe what you talk na? How you want make I believe her? Say that auntie wearing skin fresh like to the bread. Na waiting. Auntie what the wear hair wear cost so. Na you open your mouth like this talk say she be Paco. How I want take believe her?
Bimbo, make I tell you, you know say this thing wey you talk, wey her skin dey this one, and she dey wear expensive wear. Make I tell you, now all these things they call packaging, better packaging. If I dress like that, come out people go just they look me like better pikin. Look that way, this girl na correct Paco, and she said she get plans so.
Plans? Which plan wey she go get? See, you know say you never chop. Go chop first, make your medulla oblongata dey function well. No come here, come dey talk.
You know say you get wetin they talk say, waiting old man sit down for ground they look for up. Small pikin, even if the small pikin climb tree like this, you no go see that thing. I don't dey tell you now. I don't dey tell you now.
Shut up for there.
Hey.
Who she can't talk be that now? Who they refer as a old man and the small pikin?
Come carry this place for here.
They see this guy. He go open mouth wah. They talk anything will concern you. You know say this guy submit use style in some person. They say after he go say na maybe troublemaker. They say
But the thing is say, how that like I'm boss take be Paco? How she take the speak pidgin like us? I don't even know. You know possible.
Sai, if you ask me, me I go tell you say that auntie elegant boss. She no be Paco. She no be Paco. If you ask me.
But even the first day, I mean we open gates for them. You see how she did, like Queen retired Queen Elizabeth. Come carry the elegant person. Let me say she speak pidgin.
Say na
Paco. She come carry this plate come out. She leave am. She come carry am.
No, me I no go touch am. Me I no go touch am.
So now here the place go dey.
Silas? Silas? Shoulders up.
Elegant, I never chop.
Shoulders up.
Wait up. What they look me like say I wear dirty clothes at the
Come see me in my room later today. Keep it a secret.
Wait, it just happened, na. Hey, I talk am say this English woman, she know well. Wait. Make you know be wetin I dey think o. No. Silas no fit do this kind thing. He no fit. Wait o. This English woman, I talk and say this her career movement. He don't dey get eye. He don't dey get something where they follow him. I go put eye for ground. Because if person no dey careful for this house, I go just wake up one morning and say this woman don't sell this house, sell of joint too. What's the worry am? This woman, your eyes no clear. Joe, hey. Nah, crazy. I've been a madness with this one. What do you want call this one? He don't dey talk to which craft oh? You don't know here you can't dey. Me they inside. They look for you. Why they look for me? We be twins. What? Answer me now. Why you they look for me? I no go look for you. No, me and you they employ for here. I don't tell you to make you know they disturb me. No, they look for me. Hey, so you don't fit do anything for this house if you don't see me. I beg, leave me. I want reason something. Now leave me. Somebody the reasoning machine. Now, where till you be now? Where till the reason? Mother reason now. No, be walking. They run for kitchen. Now, you go here, come there. See, make I tell you.
That would not be problem. If you reason your reasoning finish, make you go do your work. Are they inside? They wait for you.
Why you go wait for me? Why you no? You just say you go another place. Why you go wait for me? No wait for me. Why you don't wait? No, they do this thing like they pay me. Don't they pay me now? No, they wait for me. I tell you, say the burn us together. No, they wait for me. No mark me for
They charge for like this. Something don't they worry this girl. No, I mean they charge for. He they don't work. He talk say are they follow you. This girl sabi is so I know they count out for you. Hey. No.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lady Bianca. How was your night?
It was splendid. Well, I heard you complained about the breakfast I made yesterday. So, I took it upon myself to prepare something way better.
That's quite thoughtful. Thank you.
Oh, you don't have to thank me. I am at your service. I am here to serve you, and I am ready and willing to give you all kinds of services just to satisfy you.
All kind of services?
All kind of service.
Thank you.
Okay. So do you want to go to the dining now?
Shortly.
Oh my goodness. My leg.
Are you alright?
Oh, yeah, I just sprained my knee.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir. Take this money. Make sure you go to the market and buy everything on that list. Now, I did not say the kiosk on the street. I said the market. I want everything fresh.
Wow. All these things were there for this list. He there for kitchen. They never finish.
Are you seriously talking back at me? I want those condiments for the fresh meal I want to prepare.
This one, get us a view. I never finish what they do for inside. No, to go market. Check them now.
Well, I want you to. And as for your chores, you would finish up when you return from the market. Now run along.
No problem. I can go change clothes.
Don't you dare. You will wear this to the market.
Me go wear this uniform. Go market. Wear and they walk up for road. You don't make sense now.
Are you calling me senseless? Did you just say I am senseless?
No, be waiting and talk. No, make I go bring me back now.
You will buy that from the market.
Huh?
One more thing. Make sure you go with Jumbo.
Jumbo, go buy something for outside.
take her with you.
Oh, wow. No.
Shoulders up.
You say? For market. I mean, go do so now they walk up for road.
Elegance, poise, and class.
Oh, wow. I don't remember now. Elegant boss. No, make I dey go now.
Silas. Hey, sir.
Hi.
How was your day?
My day went well.
You've been on this since you came back. Don't you think you need to relax and be taken well care of?
Well, I'm fine.
With a game? That can be quite boring. You know, you can find better company in some other ways, especially with the beautiful and sweet things around you. Things you can feel and touch.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Sir, I heard you and Madam have been together for 2 years now. Interesting. You really don't need anything? Well, if you change your mind, I'll be one call away. Excuse me.
Wetin worry this man safe? Eh? So now me you the form responsible man for Abi? I know your type. All this your initial gra. Last you go fall. You go fall yakata. See, make I tell you. As I don't enter this your house soon, I no go come out until I make better money. You see this opportunity, I no go misuse am. Okay now. Okay. You look me finish, they form strong head. You know say that better street girl because they call me Lady Bianca. You know they say my name now. Bianca the hustler. I go hustle you tire for this house. Never cheat on chi. Never say anything. We'll see who has the last laugh. Huh? I'm sorry for this one. Come on. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. It's all the package what they give you.
Wow! Make I yes, I no go get that. Make I yes.
Jumbo. You know, can they rest this clothes then?
And they come make I just pass this level.
Make it pass which level? You see why I know they like to do anything with you. You see then go send us message. You go just walk out, sit down on your own. They press phone up and down. Can't they rest this, you know?
I know say they pay you. But no wahala, go wash am. Make I just finish this one. I go wash am. Next time make I hear you say, make I give you my phone, make you play game. And that time you go know person what happen.
Who pay? Me beg you. You see, I don't get your time. If I get your time, if I know, you know, sit down there, they talk, wait, you know. Which phone? If you say my phone no fall inside water, I get your time. I get your time. And now you cause up. No. Now you come push me that day. I go when my phone come fall inside water. Now I don't they booga with your phone. They talk. Wait, no.
I no blame you. Na jealousy go kill you.
No. That jealousy go knock your head for ground.
Hey! Oh, why now? How much you don't know? Hi.
He never say anything. That battery, he die well. He not sabi anything. You know they do anything for this house. No. To the press phone up and down.
I don't know why this thing they pay you for inside heart. You know they only pay you, they pay you for inside your soul. They pay you.
Jump make I talk you. He know they pay me. He know they pay me because no make her they tell you for face. If I tell you for back. If I don't know your stand.
If you talk am for back, it too they pay you. But make her shock you.
Shock me.
This one no go fit enter water. He no go fit enter water. He dey pay you oh. And as the thing they pay you, it dey sweet me. It dey pay you. As it dey pay you, it dey sweet me.
He just say they sweet you.
It dey sweet me.
He no dey pay me. If he dey pay me, I know wetin I for do. I for don destroy this phone tete. Both of us go there for phoneless.
Now you go there phoneless. Make I go bring the charger. I go charge am. I go carry am come here. Dey press am for your face. Make it dey pay you. As it dey pay you, it dey sweet me. As it dey pay you, it dey sweet me. As it dey pay you, it dey sweet me.
You don't dey find trouble. No provoke me, oh. No, provoke me, oh. Make I not throw you inside this water. No, provoke me. If you like it, make you go inside. They charge your phone. They press her. No come let's this because me I know touch am. I know touch am. If I finish my own, I know touch anyone. No tell me say he dey pay me. He know they pay me. If he pay me, I for don buy that your phone. No. Be say I don't know wetin to do. Make we do make both of us dey for phoneless. Yes na. Oh, wow. No, be say I don't know wetin I want to.
Hi babes, how are you?
Oh my, this thing no dey easy. This packaging no easy at all. Me say I don't tire. I did tell you, as in better payments, as it be so. I don't even know if na British or American English they speak. I just they speak and be true and anyhow they give them. But one more, this man better package. The man fine. He get baby, in tall, in take caring, can't still get money on top. No be those fine boys when no get shishi, they don't get bego. Now that kind of man they find. My dear, I get plans. You don't trust me. I get better plans. Don't worry. I go gist you. Give you better gist. Go like her. Who's there? Who's there? I'll call you back. Who is there?
What did happen? Why they run like that? No, what's that? No, I make you run like that. What do you do?
I don't do anything. No. Now, so God want to catch me today. Not the only devil they catch person. No. God want catch me today.
You just say, nah, God won't catch you today. you get luck. Say she no catch you as they play game. Sorry, I forget your name. Your second name. No, sorry.
I know. You get people will be saying them be devil. You know, say all these people will be saying if they vex for you, they go they hide them. People will be saying if they vex for you, they go they talk them for your face. Now them be the devil. Now what do you be?
No, they waste your time. If I they hide them for you, hey, this for don't go tete. I know they hide them
for your mind.
No, I make her they tell you for front.
For your mind, if you discredit my phone, for your mind.
No, not just on that. Estimate waiting I feel go. No, try. My friend, come here.
I don't go to him. Do your worst. I don't go to him.
You say what?
I don't go to him.
You know do it.
I no go do am.
You know do it. Hey. No, try me, oh. Go finish your
I don't know that thing where you want to.
Hi. He don't say no, mouth, you remain. No.
Babe, honestly, I miss you like hell. Like, these 2 days has been like 2 years.
Come on, babe. I just got here. Don't miss me too much.
I'm missing you already. Please, you just have to come back as soon as possible. Look for one thing and tell them I'm at home, your husband needs you.
Don't worry, babe. I know you are in good hands. So calm down and allow the domestic staff do their job.
Alright, take care of yourself. I love you. Call me soon.
I have to run now, please.
Alright. Who's there?
Lady Bianca.
Please come in.
Here it is, sir.
Thank you.
If you need anything else, I'm one call away.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Someone is finally awake.
What are you doing here?
Are you pretending or what?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ah, I get it. What we had was too good. You've never had it like that before. So you think it's only your imagination. But don't worry. It was real. So real that you kept screaming my name. Bianca. Oh, Bianca, don't stop. Bianca, please don't stop. You even wished you met me before your wife. Lies the men tell just to get girls. Don't worry. I am all yours now. If you still need me, I am one call.
What just happened?
Oh my goodness! Is that my house? Oh my darling! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. I have missed you too. Oh my! Whew.
I'm back, ma'am.
Thank you, Bianca.
Lady Bianca.
Oh, sorry, Lady Bianca. How are you?
I'm good.
I
I hope you had a good time, ma'am.
Of course I did. I had a very wonderful time. I can see the house is looking all cleaned up. You are doing a very, very good job. Thank you so much for taking good care of my house and my big baby. I am so happy. Thank you very much.
I was just doing my job, ma'am.
Ah, very well. Very, very well. Baby, I have missed you so much. You know what? Let's go to the room and have some fun, baby. You know, let's do some jiggy. Oh my God. You know what you're gonna do? You are gonna massage me. You know, you hold me like this. You do me like this. You touch my waist. You know, you give me all set of styles. Oh my God. Oh, I am so tired. I had a very, very hectic day. You know that? Oh my God. Woo. Hey.
I will take it from here. Shoulders up.
Huh?
To your duty post now.
So what was that you said you wanted to tell me in private? What's that?
It's best you open it. Well, that is my pregnancy result. I am 2 weeks pregnant. Congratulations! You're finally going to be a dad.
What is the meaning of this? Like, what does this mean?
Meaning of what exactly? You have the test result in your hands.
Bianca, you're really a drama queen. Like, you seriously expect me to believe all you just said because of this nonsense written on this piece of paper? I am not daft. You hear me? For all I care, this could be forgery. This is like, it's fake.
Well then, your wife will do the confirmation herself.
My wife?
Your wife.
What are we going to do?
Nothing much. So who's telling her?
Telling who?
Your wife, of course. She deserves to know. I mean, you're going to be a father.
My wife must not know about this. In fact, no one else should know about this.
Are you by chance insinuating that I go for an abortion?
I am a married man.
Oh yeah, you are. Yet, you slept with me. You really want me to abort your child when you've been looking for one for how long now? 2 years? Well, Raymond, you have just 3 days to tell her. Else, I do you the honor.
Baby, the way Sandra was all over me, you could tell that she misses me a lot. You know, we were so inseparable back then in the university. Wow. I don't know how it's going to look like when she goes back to the States. I am definitely going to miss her so much. Babe? Babe! What's wrong with you? I've been talking and you're not saying anything.
Sorry.
You are so distracted. Since I came back, you've been acting all strange up. What the hell is wrong with you, nigga? Huh? Are you okay?
Okay.
You sure something isn't bothering you?
Babe, I'm fine. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Sure.
I don't know what's wrong with you. Like, what the heck, man?
Oh, what was that you were saying?
You sure you're fine?
Yes, I am. What?
Who amongst you two little thieves took my jewelry box?
Jewelry too.
Don't play dumb with me. I will not allow you play with my intelligence. Who took my jewelry box I left in my room?
Madam, this thing where they talk now, they surprise me. Oh, you know they surprise you. See, the only jewelry box where I know for this house, I'm not for your room. That big jewelry box where they pack your clothes for inside. That be the only jewelry box when I know.
Yes, so madam. Not only that big box where they just put clothes, not only I'm the see for this house.
Will you shut up your mouth, you two? The jewelry box I am talking about contains my jewelries. My necklaces, my bracelets, my rings. And it's about this size. Look, this means a lot to me. And I can't find them. Where did you guys take my jewelry box to?
Bimbo, you don't see any box where they like this for this house.
He the Chris. So something that worry you. Which kind of question? Which kind of question you gonna ask me like this now? Eh? What did you know the situation? He gonna ask me this kind of question. Madam, I beg no verse. I don't see anything.
Oh, this is so unbelievable. Does it mean we have thieves in this house? Huh? No, answer me. Does it mean?
If my thoughts are wrong, ma'am. But if they don't know the worth of these jewelries, what use is it to them if they steal it?
Are you trying to exonerate them? Because if they didn't steal it, then who did?
That I'm not so sure of. But I'm not trying to exonerate them. But if we look at this critically, we have to consider the motive of the thief. What if they didn't steal it?
Oh!
I mean, of what use is it to them?
God bless you. Thank you. You don't finish talk.
How do you mean?
Oh, Silas, ma'am.
How about him?
If I may ask, ma'am, how much is he being paid monthly?
At about 40,000 naira.
Oh my goodness. What could 40,000 naira do for a full-fledged man, ma'am?
I have had it up to here. I am sick and tired of all of this. No, you were sick. Stand up.
Get up! Why can't they sit down now?
Now why they beat me?
Why not go beat you if madam they sit down? You did sit down. You dey crazy.
Who they beat me again? Who try it again? Madam, you don't say actually beat me every time.
Go try it again. I go.
Enough!
Wow.
Madam,
Yes, please.
what if we assess our other options?
Silas! Silas! Where are you? Oh my God! Come here!
Ma.
Where is my jewelry box you stole from my room?
Eh? Me stole. I know.
Look, don't let me repeat myself again.
If I may, madam, she wants to know where the jewelry box you stole from my room is.
Me stole. Madam, I don't steal your jewelry box. So I know see I'm up.
Oh, will you shut up your freaking mouth? Where the hell is my jewelry box, Silas?
Madam? Can these two go in there and check?
Oh, very well then. Look, both of you go inside and look for my jewelry box right now.
No. Both of us.
I said go look for my jewelry box before I lose my temper. Look, if I don't see my jewelry box, I am gonna slap your freaking face.
No, madam, I don't see any box. So no be.
Oh, shut up your mouth! If I hear one more word from you, you wouldn't like me. Seriously.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness!
No.
This my jewelry box. Where did you see? Can I have it, please? Give it to me. Silas! How will you shut up your freaking mouth? Look, Silas. Now listen and listen carefully. I will just let it slide if I ever see you anywhere close to this property. I will make sure you go in for your crimes. You son of a bitch!
I don't steal you.
How will you shut up your mouth?
Sorry,
You're this criminal! Oh my God! Look at him!
No. I don't be thief now. Maid Bianca, I don't be thief now. I don't be thief. I don't thief for this house before. But I don't be thief now.
You are still here. If I go inside and come back, and you are still here, I am gonna call the police on you.
No, but I'm not go police now. Nobody reach like
You
that.
are very stupid. You are very stupid. You're the son of a bitch. Hey!
I'm beg now. Bianca now. Like let me still.
Listen. I believe you do not want to end up in the police cell. Madam has been gracious enough. So leave.
Like that now. I don't be thief now. You pull out people. Be my thief. Like that now. Why don't listen to me now? People now. I be thief. I understand anything.
say, God don't vindicate me. See the job. I don't want to lose her. I don't want.
I beg. No even come close to me. No try am. I mean, you want to ask that one. If person tell me say Silas, you go ever thief, I don't go believe her.
I don't be thief. I don't know how to think. I don't know how to think.
You be thief from the thing fly enter your room.
I don't know.
Good. No try am again.
I don't get where to go again. If she push me, go.
Tell your sin never arrest you. Carry your things they go now. Before you go say I'm a quaram.
Where I go? Which one make I go now? Help me tell my say no be me. Which guy thief this one? No thief am not. I thief. I thief. I thief. You know me. You know I thief for this house. I thief for this house. You know now. I thief. Huh? Madam, come on! I don't think you're jolly also. I don't think I get for you. Where will give him now? Where will give him? Where will give him? My mama don't die. I don't get anybody. Which I think this one?
This is unbelievable. Highly unbelievable. I just left this house for a few moments, only to come back and you were telling me you've sacked Silas. What did you do?
I did what I know you will never do. Because you always excuse their excesses. So I had to do what I had to do.
Babe, that evidence was circumstantial. And that decision was hasty. Totally hasty. I know Silas. I have known him for a while. And Silas cannot do what you just said.
Oh wow. International lawyer of justice and equity. You know him? Look, let me tell you something. If he could sneak into my room and steal my jewelry box, imagine the security threat he poses should someone contract him to hammers. Have you ever thought about that?
Babe. Silas is nothing close to what you just described. He's not. I have known him for a long time, and he can't do that.
I can see you are thinking of bringing him back to this house. But mind you, if I ever see his leg anywhere around this property, you are going to choose me or a common criminal? Rubbish.
You still haven't told her. What are you waiting for?
You honestly expect me to tell my wife? Like you want me to walk up to my wife to tell her what? Bianca, do you want to scatter my marriage? Do you want to destroy my family?
You should have thought about that before getting me pregnant. You know, from afar one would think you're a gentleman. But on a closer look, you are just a coward who can't stand up to his responsibility. I will not let you use and dump me. Today is the end of your 3 days grace. Do the needful, else it will be messy.
I know say Silas said they touch small. I know they touch sometimes. But I never believe say you don't reach to the thief. Check out.
My sister, this one, he shocked me. In fact, he even come with me like this. He did me like saying a film, but no be film, oh, no be film. I know if you Kukuma understand what thing they go on for this house. But in all, thank God, oh, thank God, say no be we where they sack. Because you know say now we wait first they suspect but finally God can't do it for us.
If you notice this thing, you know say na since when that English woman entered this house, everything just be change.
Elegant pause.
Now I dey suspect them.
Hey. Elegant pause. Police woman. As you see me for this house now, waiting I one day say I just want maintain my lane like this. I want begin the day my day. As they see me so, I no want make you carry my name join to your name in anything. Make I just they look them, because if they pursue me for this job, I no get another one. No. Make you dey do your police work for your head. Oh.
You don't talk finish.
They there now. You were supposed to thank God say no they no sack you. You dey here they think on top of another person matter. Inspector General.
This thing where they do now, you don't tire me. I don't know why you think they pepper body, your body think they pepper you. Any small thing where I talk, you will just attack me like that. I don't know why.
When you they talk better one, I go attack you. No, when you they talk.
In fact, you don't do.
Make her they go inside.
They go.
Make you sit down for here. They think another people wahala for your head. Now you know. I no follow. No, call me.
This thing will be Silas.
Lady Bianca.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a very, very important meeting I am going for this morning. But I will be skipping breakfast. So do well to serve others breakfast, please. And then when I'm back, I will have something light. So I want you to prepare something nice for me.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. But I doubt it will be possible.
Why? Are you okay?
I have been feeling strange. It's as if something is moving inside me. It's churning my stomach.
Oh, I am so sorry about that.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, I think you have to take a break. You have to rest. But if it persists, then you have to go to the hospital and see a doctor as soon as possible.
Oh, you're far too kind, ma'am.
Oh,
thank you.
You are welcome. Please, take good care of yourself for me.
I sure will.
All right, honey, I should be on my way right now. See you later. Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, darling.
What is wrong with you? What was the meaning of that? What are you doing?
That was your last grace to redeem yourself. My patience is running thin.
Bianca. Bianca, please, can we come to an understanding, like an agreement on this? Can we?
Do I look like a whore to you? Someone you use and dump?
You know that is not what I am talking about. That is my wife. I love her so much and I don't know why you are putting up these dramas. See, her knowing what is going on will tear her apart and I don't want that. So please, can we come to an agreement? Can we please? Don't involve her in this, please.
Well, I will only consider this because your wife has been nice to me.
Fine.
So, here is my proposal. 500,000 naira in child support monthly.
What? Are you kidding me or something? Bianca, that is too much. Be reasonable.
Believe me, this is me being reasonable. I will and cannot go lower than this. And do not test my patience. You've already exhausted your other options. Do well to fix breakfast for yourself. Huh.
Jesus Christ. Holy Moses. How did I get myself involved with this lady? Wow. Jesus. God.
Oh, baby, it's okay. Please. Now you want to make me cry.
Sorry. I'm really sorry.
I'm sorry, darling. Please, you just have to calm down. It's all gonna be fine. Please. Oh my goodness. You just want to make me cry right now? You want to make me cry? It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Babe.
Oh, baby, we're back.
What's going on here?
You see, time and time again, men will always prove that they are scum. Just imagine Bianca, Lady Bianca here, how her fiance denied her after getting her pregnant. Look at her. I mean, who does that?
Please. Mama, he promised me everything.
Oh my God.
He said he was never going to leave me. And now, he's denying me and my child.
They are, darling.
I hate them.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't want you to cry again. Please. This is so heartbreaking.
It is, Mom.
Oh my God. What kind of heartless man abandons a pregnancy he is responsible for? Oh, this is too bad. I am sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Please, you have to calm down, baby. Calm down, darling. I feel her pain. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
You don't want to sit down? It's fine. Please. It's okay.
Please hurry, I want to attend to something.
All right, baby. Raymond? What the hell is going on between you and my maid, Bianca? What's she talking about in this text message? I am talking to you! What?
Babe, please, I can explain. I can explain, please.
What the hell do you want to explain? Of all people, Raymond, how on earth could you do this to me?
I don't even know how this whole thing happened. I can't explain it. I can't explain it.
You can explain it.
I'm sorry.
Everything keeps happening so fast that you can't explain it. And how you want to put blames on people except yourself, Raymond? Exactly what cheats do. You want to put a blame on someone else. Oh my God. What have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into? And you, I employed you and let you into my house, trusting that you were a professional maid. What wrong have I done to you? Tell me, what the hell did I do to you? Oh God. I will not have you disrespect me in my own house. Now you have to bundle your things and get the hell out of my house right now.
You want me, Lady Bianca, to leave this house? Are you for real? In case you have forgotten, I am carrying your husband's newborn child. And
God. Raymond. The effortry.
you have emboldened her to talk back at me, Raymond? Because of your stupidity! You stooped so low to sleep with my maid, Raymond!
You woman, now you listen to me and listen attentively. I will not have you call me your maid. Because starting from this moment, I quit. I need enough time to concentrate on me and my unborn child. And as for you, Raymond, the earlier you get married to me, the better for you. I do not have time for this pity party. So I'll leave you two to sort out yourselves. Raymond, I see you have a lot of apologies to me. Call me outside if you need me.
Raymond! 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 How could you do this to me? Raymond, I hate you! I hate you now! I hate you, Raymond! No! Leave me alone!
Yeah, come squeeze him. Come squeeze him. Come squeeze him. I want to squeeze him. I want to squeeze him.
Squeeze with me. No, just come here, babe. Face with you. No, worry me.
Babe, but I know if it's coming now, you think they do gara. Just let me squeeze him.
If you like it, squeeze him. Leave. Good morning, Lady.
Hold your greetings! Why are you lazy idiots still cleaning this place by this time? Have you suddenly gone deaf? What are you lazing about when there are things to be done? Sorry for your miserable lives. Now you listen to me. I will no longer tolerate any form of laziness from anyone. If you can't handle the work, then quit.
Bianca. Bianca.
What?
These girls are trying. Stop being hard on them.
You will not tell me how to handle my domestic stuff. Now leave this place this minute.
Make we leave everything for here.
Come back here!
Okay.
Bianca. The way you are going about this is very wrong.
Funny how you think you have a say, when you have refused to do the needful. Lest you forget, I did not get myself pregnant. You did. And I will definitely will not raise an illegitimate child. So you must marry me.
This one do me for I. Oh wow. So no. Oh God, no. Elegant also. But madam never carry the. Hey! Oh wow.
How you should say no get it right. You dey think before you talk. And when you dey happy say, okay, you just talk like that, okay, don't give up belly. You don't even hide your mouth small talk, and just talk like that. No, you know what saying, make a talk. They like to they talk anything, no dey see, no dey listen anything. After you dey talk saying that maybe the investigator happen and wetin dey talk.
No be wetin you be. Be say why they say I no go happy? Why I no go happy?
You don't know say Oga no like that Englishman since she enter this house.
No, my friend, he no concern me. No, be madam. Go, using hand, carry, buy matter. No, be she go carry English woman come say, make she cook this, cook that. No, you don't boss now. She don't carry belle. Very soon they go put you out, come out from house. Make you no shock you. You know just consign me. Make you no shock you. No. Who buy matter for himself? See, madam. We never get belle. No. Oh, second wife. No, be that girl.
You no go ever walk. You know, I'm not saying that English woman plan. I don't disrespect her. She did very bad, evil woman. I don't disrespect her. Now her plan, but you don't go walk. I need to talk about Jumbo.
Make her advise you. For my sister, you see that you are chief investigative or officer or police, whatever way they do, when nobody send you. Make it pocket am. Make it pocket am because he go kill her for your eye by the time when they go pursue you, the way when they take it, pursue side.
No go pursue you.
Then let go pursue you. Just
Hey! Belle for this family, for this house. You will like
come on, do you want to follow me? You know.
Please stop crying, please. Please stop crying. I'm sorry. I really didn't mean to make you cry, please.
Your mistress sent you to mock me with your meal.
No, baby.
Raymond.
I personally prepared this meal for you. You've not eaten for days and I hate to see you like this.
Why did you suddenly start caring about me?
Babe, you know that I always love and care about you. I am really sorry that all these things happened, but I can't just explain how it started and I don't know how we got here. But I am deeply sorry.
So you want me to believe you, Raymond?
Babe.
No, you want me to believe you? You stoop so low, Raymond. You stoop so low. To impregnate my maid. You're such a shameless man. That's what you are, Raymond.
I don't know how it happened. Everything happened so fast and I can't explain it.
Of course you cannot explain it. You can carry on with your mistress.
No, babe. Babe, no. My life was nothing if living is without you. You're my world, you're my life, you're my...
Enough! Enough of this rubbish! Enough, Raymond, please, just leave me alone. Please just let me be Raymond. Raymond, please leave me alone. Raymond, leave me alone.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Raymond.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just leave me.
I'm sorry, please.
You know what? I have had it up to here. I am done.
Jesus. Babe.
Raymond, just leave me alone! Leave me! Raymond, leave me alone! I am done with you!
Babe, don't do this to me. Babe.
Raymond, just let me be right now. Just let me be. You can have the house all to your bitch.
Can you listen to me?
Raymond, please. I don't have the time to listen to you, please. Raymond, please just let me be. Raymond, what's it? Just
Please. Babe, please.
leave my hands.
If what we shared really mean anything to you, then calm down and listen to me. I'm telling you, I didn't plan all of this. I didn't know how everything happened. I'm telling you the truth.
Raymond, get the hell out of my way. Or do you want to turn me into a prisoner in this house?
I wouldn't do that. I can't do that. See, I swear, I didn't know how she got pregnant. I didn't know how I got myself into this or how she got me into this. I am begging you, please. Believe me.
I cannot believe you. You must be very delusional. Raymond, why would you do...
Oh, Raymond, we need to talk.
Alright, go on. Your mistress wants to see you. She's waiting for you.
Don't call her that. Don't say that. You're misunderstanding everything.
Raymond, I will not repeat myself again.
I hate you. I think you guys deserve each other. Just let me go.
Please.
Raymond, just get the hell out of my way!
Wahala with this one. I talk this thing. I know. I know say this girl no be better girl. I know say she get plans for this house. So that her plans not to take over all this house. This girl too sharp, but she no wise. She don't forget saying that me and her for this house. But wait. We think she want tell Oga we make Oga follow and go. You don't even listen to madam.
I am here to get the allot of 500,000 for child support. Do you think your wife finding out changes anything? It doesn't. So you still have to pay.
Bianca, 500,000 naira a month is too much. It's much and you know it. That will cripple me.
You have refused to marry me. You also do not want to take care of my child. So what do you expect from me?
I expect you to be reasonable and don't use the fact that you are pregnant to make me financially or pin me into marrying you. Have you ever taken a second to think of what this whole thing is doing to me and my family? And the fact that I cannot even remember sleeping with you makes it worse.
Don't you dare, Raymond. I am not your regular kind of girl. You will not use and dump me. You have met your match.
Come.
Okay? Food already.
I am not hungry.
Again. Oga, even if not small, you know say since 2 days now you never chop anything. Come chop before you go fall sick.
I am a strong man. And strong men don't fall sick. Cheers. You can go, I'm fine. Wait. Tell your mother that I won't be able to give her the house rent I promised her. I'm sorry that includes your school fees. Business has been very, very bad. But don't worry. Very soon, I'll meet up with everything. Cheers. Last. Everybody go chop breakfast, shayo. I need Igbo and shayo. Auntie Ibu and Shayo. Shayo.
So like this now. They go chase me come out for school because of this woman. My mama landlady go chase and come out for house. See your guy will be good man. May they always buy us something anytime when you go out. If they come back, he go buy us plenty things. You know they do them again because of this stupid Oyibo woman. I don't know why people wicked for this world. I don't know why. Oga no dey chop again. Now I need to drink every time. Go dey drink. This woman too wicked. Now God go punish her for me. She too wicked. No worry. Me, I dey even suspect say no be Oga give am that belly. She go just talk anyhow.
Hey! Information Minister. Police woman, police officer, chief security of monitoring spirit. And what you be? Investigator. He don't the mad though. He don't the colon like this. So as I dey see you now, you they talk to yourself by yourself. Na colon mental be that. If you don't know, make you know amo. Oh wow.
Did you say no be Oga give that stupid woman belly?
Jumbo!
Let me tell you now.
Jumbo, I don't want you. I don't want you. Say one day this your mouth go put you for matter where you know go feel come on your head. Not to talk of raising the head up. This they control what you they talk oh. The man what you they talk oh. If okay. If you not be okay give am belle. Then who give am belle? No who give am belle? No you.
Silas.
Oh, wow.
Silas. Na Silas give am belly.
Jumbo.
Who they call me? Na Silas.
Hey. Take everything. Where you they worship they beg you. You see this discussion? I no follow. You see this conversation? I know they. I know if you talk. In fact, I know if you call near you. Because you see this my job eh? I love her too much. If they use because of you, sack by me for here. Oh, wow, he no go better for you. I know they. If you are mad, they run. They run. Make you know they call me oh. Make you know they call me oh. Oh wow.
You two they talk anyhow. I dey tell you something when me I dey sure they talk anyhow.
Shut up. Who they talk anyhow? Now you they talk anyhow. Okay, this thing where you they talk now. You get any evidence to prove us say what you they talk you they correct. He will just the your mouth.
Madam, who tell you say I no get evidence?
Where your evidence? Who am if you get up? Go there. Rap mouth lola.
My evidence be this.
Na phone now. Show me your evidence. What?
What is going on here? You two, go back to your duty post now.
Let them be. I want to know what they know. Babe, can you take a look at this?
Oh my goodness! Bianca! Oh my God!
Jumbo, for how long has this been going on? Like, when did you make this video?
Never tell, never to take. Now make her go beg Auntie Cherry, make she come back. Say, I want tell her everything wey dey happen for this house. I want expose everything today.
Under your face.
I'm filming though.
So after the thing come dey happen, me I be no know wetin dey happen o. The thing no never clear well for my eyes until that time when she come make Madam sack Silas. Na that time everything clear. Oga, no be you give am belle.
Oh, cool.
Na Silas give am belle. I hear when she dey tell her friends say na Silas give am belle. But na because say she wan make you marry am and Madam never give you pikin. She can't use that opportunity to put something for your drink. May you give am belle.
Jumbo, you mean all these things have been going on under my nose?
Bianca, you are so mean. Oh my God.
Wait.
This is a lie. This is a gang up. They all ganged up. You, and you.
What?
Yes!
Will you shut up? How dare you? How dare you stand there and lie before my face even when the evidences are staring before your face? Are you sick or something?
Bianca, what wrong have I done to you? I treated you right.
I paid you right. I did everything to make you happy. And see what you've done to me. Oh my goodness. When has kindness become a crime? Talk to me, I'm talking to you.
You must have minded all this. You set Silas up and had him thrown out of this house so that you can achieve your mischief. Do you know that that is paternity fraud, that you can be thrown to jail because of it?
I beg, sir. I beg, ma. Please. I just play. I just dey play with. I don't get any belly. I don't get belly. I don't get belly. I just play. I beg. Madam. Na envy and jealousy. As I see you like the second they envy you, you get everything. You get house. You fine. You get husband. You get car. You get money. Don't be saying that you get I get. It just they pepper me for body. I can't say, oh I beg, pardon me. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Please, ma.
Wow. So true. Like this. You did no pigeon. Like this. No, try to do that thing for me. Who try? No, try to better carry your shoulder down. You don't know, say you don't cast. You don't know. Oh, wow. Hey! Don't be the talk more. But me, I don't believe I'm at all. Ha, say na your normal running mouth. Hey! You wicked. You wicked! Like a boss. The boss everywhere. You wicked! Don't tell me. No, try. Don't tell me that thing. You wicked! So your plan for here to collect Oga from madam. Hey! Your cup don't full. He don't full. Wow.
I feel like strangling you. I feel
Please don't. Please.
Can you get out of my way?
Baby, please, no. Don't do this, please. Just let her go. Please.
This girl needs to rot in jail. She needs to be prosecuted for her.
Oh, baby, just take it easy, please. And you, what are you still doing here? Will you get the hell out of this house right now? Move it!
Hey! No, babe. Madam, you didn't leave her like that.
Yes, please. Babe, I am sorry. I almost lost you. Please, forgive me. I never believed you. I am sorry. Please, baby, please. Oh my God. Oh, baby. I missed you so much. I am sorry, please. Baby, just take it easy. Please. See, she's not gonna come back again. Never, ever. Please.
I'm happy to throw this out. And you don't have to thank me. We have to thank Jumbo here because she found out everything. I don't know what we would have done if she didn't find out all our plans.
Wow. Hey! Chief Security Investigator Officer of the Spiritual. Wow. Come on, cap for you. In fact, I fear who no fear you. You too much.
No say Oga a better person. And now they take care of me and my mama since my papa died. So I no go like stand person go dey do am bad, I no go do anything. Now wetin make me do all these things for I do.
Na true. Na true you talk. Oga na better person.
You see what I tell you? Babe, you see. I tell you that no one is entirely useless.
I understand.
You should be nice to everybody because you don't know who is going to help you tomorrow.
Alright, girls. Jumbo and Bimbo.
Madam, my name no be Jumbo. My name na Jumbo.
Bimbo.
It's fine. Whatever, girls. I am very, very sorry. My apologies. Please forgive me. I know I have been so bad to you, but I am really, really sorry. Please.
Madam, but make I just tell you the truth. You know, try. He been fuck up well for this house. But as he don't be now, we don't forgive him. Abi?
All right, girls. Can you come to Mama? Come here, baby. Come to Mama, baby. I love you. Come on, baby.
No. So
We are one family.
No. So. No. Better have this.
Oh, where's your car pulling off?
Fifi, come on.
Silas, I am sorry I have not called you since I was told you were sad. You're like a friend. You're more like brothers. So I should have done better. I'm sorry.
Oga, let me suppose they tell you sorry. Who I be where you they tell sorry give? I not be anybody now. Not be anybody. Oga, what is still they surprise me? What is they surprise me? How person will find like Bianca will get that kind of wicked mind? I don't believe him. See, fine girl now. Her heart gone wicked. Eh?
Sometimes fine faces mask very bitter and wicked hearts. The heart of man is evil and we're living in a very wicked world.
Very, 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 very evil. Very, very evil and wicked. See, I did my house. Now Jumbo call me. Tell me say na Bianca na carry that jewelry box. Go enter my room, go hide them for there. Didn't pay me. That didn't pay me. I don't believe him. Huh? Why Bianca go do me that kind of thing now?
Just like I said, we're living in a very wicked world. And one should be careful the people that are close to you and their intentions.
Okay. Oga. Now where everything don't calm down. I beg. I feel come back, come begin the work for you. I never find work since I come out for here. Hunger won't finish me. Huh?
Well, your work still there. But I don't want you to come back.
I beg now. I beg you still invest for me. I beg now. I beg. I know the thief. I never thief before. Nothing go make. I no go close to anything will belong to you.
Silas, please come on. Get up. On the contrary, I think you were badly treated and should be compensated for that. So I want you to look around. Silas. I mean, look for any business of your choice and I will finance it.
Hey! Okay, you mean that? Hey! Okay. Sorry. Okay, thank you.
Silas, it's fine. It's fine.
Hey!
It's fine.
Hey, thank you. Huh? Which business I can do now?
Look for anyone.
I feel in the market now. Eh? You know say I don't sell shoe before I come begin work. I'll go back there, go establish them. Go I'll go buy shoe. you.